Hey guys, if you are looking for best karaoke system for smart TV, you choice right video. Today we're going to review top 5 best karaoke system for smart TV. After spending 2 weeks research, we make this list based on our personal preference and based on features, quality, prices, customers' reviews, and durability. Also, we make this list for every type for customers. So let's get started. Starting at Boniac Karaoke System. While there are a lot of premium options available for a karaoke system, there are a few highly affordable choices from brands like Boniac that cater to the hobbyists and enthusiasts who are looking for a basic option. It has a built-in high-quality Bluetooth module that can be used as a wireless speaker, MP3 player, and recorder, compatible with various singing applications. The microphone can also be connected to your phone via Bluetooth connection or cable connection. You just need to connect your phone with cable or Bluetooth, and then open the singing app on your phone. The microphone supports micro SD card max up to 32 GB and onboard buttons for media control. You can also find buttons that let you to switch to different modes, adjust microphone, echo, and music volume separately, and enjoy singing along with the music. With echo mode, a karaoke mic can bring a surrounding immersion. The package includes not only the Boniac microphone itself but also an audio cable, charge cable, user manual, and colorful box. This comprehensive package makes the microphone an excellent gift choice for individuals of all ages, including kids, teens, and adults. At number 2, Mookie Karaoke System. The Mookie MTS-12-1 karaoke machine presents an impressive blend of powerful sound capabilities and vibrant visual effects, making it an ideal choice for various social gatherings, parties, indoor and outdoor activities. Central to its design is its ability to produce exceptional sound quality. Integrating a 12-woofer and 3-tweeter ensures a stereo sound reproduction that delivers a remarkable auditory experience. Boasting an RMS power of 200 watts, with peak power reaching an impressive 650 watts, the karaoke machine provides a stronger bass and maintains audio fidelity even when played at elevated volumes. This unit also comes with built-in DJ lights that enhance the party atmosphere with lights that change colors in sync with the beat of the music. This addition transforms any space into an electrifying dance floor, creating a truly immersive party vibe. The Mookie MTS-12-1 embraces a wide array of playing options, ensuring flexibility in catering to various sources of music. The built-in Bluetooth 5.0 technology enables seamless music playback from most Bluetooth devices such as smartphones, laptops, and tablets with ease. Now number 3, Beatron Karaoke System. The Beatron wireless microphone offers a hassle-free experience through plug-and-play functionality, eliminating the need for complex setup or additional configurations. The package includes 2 handheld wireless karaoke microphones, each equipped with intuitive controls and a large LED display. This design allows users to adjust settings and view information directly on the microphone conveniently. The wireless microphone receiver also has a UL-certified plug, ensuring safety during use for children. One of the key attractions of this microphone pair is that it employs a professional UHF wireless karaoke microphone system that guarantees optimal performance. The microphone connection distance spans approximately 160 feet, granting users freedom of movement without sacrificing sound quality. Furthermore, the system supports Bluetooth 4.2 connectivity with a range of 10 meters. You will also get a frequency response of 50 Hz to 18 kHz, signal-to-noise ratio greater than 95 decibels where the distortion levels are below 1%, and the availability of 15 UHF work channels for the best audio output. Now our next choice is Masingo Karaoke System. The Masingo karaoke machine also serves as a karaoke machine designed for both adults and kids, making it a versatile entertainment solution suitable for various occasions. With its powered 40-watt Bluetooth speaker, this system delivers robust sound quality, ensuring that everyone can join in the musical fun. Notably, it goes beyond mere karaoke by also functioning as a portable PA speaker system, making it a versatile addition to events and parties. A standout feature of this karaoke machine is its premium portability. Outfitted with wheels and a telescoping handle, it offers easy transportability, making it a trendy yet professional solution. The package includes 2 handheld microphones, ensuring that duets and group performances are hassle-free. Beyond the microphones, the package is equipped with essential components such as TV audio and aux cables, USB connectivity, a screen holder, and even carpool charging cables for on-the-go karaoke sessions. As for the microphones, you will find both of these options supporting wireless connectivity with built-in rechargeable batteries. The microphones also have a compact display to see volume levels and battery status. Plus, dedicated buttons let you change echo, pitch control, and many other features. And our last product is RYBUZZ Karaoke System. This mixer system is also designed for a range of audio applications. This karaoke microphone set is equipped to output mixed audio signals directly to a smart TV, home theater system, or other sound systems through either HDMI or 3.5mm in/out connections. The SWM15 Pros includes two handheld wireless microphones along with two wired microphone input interfaces. This combination offers both convenience and flexibility, enabling users to easily switch between wireless and wired microphones according to their preference and requirements. This karaoke mixer system stands out with its impressive wireless operating range of up to 100 feet. With UHF wireless technology, the microphones provide a strong and reliable signal even at greater distances. The adjustable frequencies for each UHF microphone contribute to the system's robust anti-interference capabilities. As for the controller itself, it has 5 rotatable dials that facilitate quick adjustments to music volume, microphone volume, echo levels, and tone. This level of control empowers users to tailor the audio output to their preferred levels, delivering clear and pristine sound quality. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.